Step 3. Step 3 is obtaining HD of n. Calculate HD of n coefficients. Okay, so I'll rewrite what is HD of n. We have found in the first step. Okay, that's sine n pi minus sine n pi by 4 whole divided by n pi. Now I have to substitute the different values in the range of 0 to 5, and we have to calculate the values. So HD of 0, if you substitute, it will become 0 by 0 format. So I have to use L'Hospital rule. Okay, so we'll get cos n pi into pi minus cos n pi by 4 into pi by 4 whole divided by pi. Okay, substitute n equal to 0 now. So we'll get pi minus pi by 4 by pi. So it comes to 0.75. Okay, next one is HD of 1. HD of 1 we can easily find out. It is sine pi minus sine pi by 4 by pi. So it comes to minus 0.225. Similarly, HD of 2. HD of 2 is equal to sine 2 pi minus sine pi by 2 by 2 pi. It comes to minus 0.159. Similarly, HD of 3 is equal to sine 3 pi minus sine 3 pi by 4 by whole divided by 3 pi. So it is 0.078. HD of 4, it is equal to sine 4 pi minus sine pi. Okay, n pi by 4, right? So we'll have 4 divided by 4 pi. So this is 0. And HD of 5 is sine 5 pi minus sine 5 pi by 4. Okay, so it is n pi by 4. 5 pi by 4 divided by 5 pi. So this comes to 0.045. So I can write my HD of n as equal to, for it's 0.75 minus 0.225 minus 0.159 minus 0.078 0.045. okay, this is my HD of n. So we have completed step 3 as well. We have calculated the Windows coefficients.